How to delete your Claude AI account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily delete your Claude account within the browser on a desktop, PC, laptop, Chromebook, anything like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And if you're trying to delete your Claude account within the Claude app on an iPhone or Android phone, check the description because I have a tutorial going over that. So all we need to do is simply open up a browser and go to Claude AI and log into our account. Once you log in, open up the menu by selecting the top option in the left menu, and then go down and select your name at the bottom. From there, simply select Settings, and then within Settings, select Account, and then all you need to do is find Delete Your Account and select Delete Account. Once here, you just have to agree that you understand that there's no way of recovering your account or your conversations and data. So go ahead and select I understand, and then confirm once more that you want to delete your Claude account permanently by selecting Delete. So go ahead and select Delete. It'll then log you out of your Claude account. You'll see account deleted, and you have now deleted your Claude AI account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.